The KDD Rental LED series features a lightweight 500 by 1000 mm cabinet with a slim 90 mm thickness. Heavy-duty quick locks enable fast setup, while protective corners, module locks, and safety ropes ensure reliable operation. Supporting straight and curved splicing, the KDD series delivers distortion-free visuals from every angle. Flexible hanging and stacking simplify installation and reduce labor costs. Its key advantage is front maintenance. Both LED modules and power supplies can be accessed and replaced from the front, making it ideal for installations with limited rear space. With 16-bit point-by-point calibration, broadcast-grade grayscale processing, and a 3,840 Hz refresh rate, it delivers smooth, vivid visuals. Ideal for concerts, TV galas, live shows, and exhibitions, the KDD series is a flexible and reliable rental LED solution.